हेलो दोस्तों, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक्निकल अयूब जी चैनल को और बेल आइकन दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियो देखने के लिए सबसे पहले।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. I am Ayub Khan and you are watching Technical Ayub Ji channel. Friends, so this is my channel and you can see that I have uploaded the latest FRP for Samsung and Huawei model. This is the second method which I am doing it now. And friends, if you are not understanding English, you can watch my Urdu version of this video. दोस्तों, आपको इंग्लिश नहीं समझ में आ रही तो आप मेरा उर्दू वर्जन भी देख सकते हो और आप मेरे चैनल में जाकर देख सकते हो. So you can watch. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get a new videos daily. Friends, as you see, I have created a playlist also for each and every models, so you can go ahead and watch it. For bypass alone, I have created for FRP bypass, Vivo, Sony and other stuff. So let's start, friends. Today we are going to see Huawei Honor P30 Lite with the latest Android version Emui 9.0.1 with a new security. So I'm just going to I'm just creating it. Click on next. So I'm going to connect to one of the Wi-Fi which I'm using it to show you this. There is a Google lock in this phone. So I'm just connecting to my Wi-Fi. Friends, please do not skip this video. This is a very short video I have just made it and very simple. So you can just follow it and don't miss it, because if you miss it, definitely you're going to miss some steps, which there are some tricks in it. So I'm just trying to connect to Wi-Fi and I'll just show you the Google account is there. And there is another method also I have done for this. You can also watch my previous video which I have uploaded 3 days back, and there is a Hindi as well as the English version, so you can watch whichever you understand. So see here, friends, I have just connected to Wi-Fi. I'm just clicking on next and I'll just show you there is a Google account. It will ask for Gmail, and this version I have done very simply, and you don't have to struggle a lot to unlock the FRP and Google bypass for any model. You can try it. All Huawei models you can try this method and it will work. I have done for more than 3 to 4 mobiles and it will work successfully. So let's do it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take another phone and I'm going to enable a hotspot, because this is a trick I'm using it, friends, so please do follow it. So see, I'm going to enable the hotspot now. Here I have enabled the technical AG. So you can find the same thing in Huawei phone. See, it is being displayed here. I'm going to enter the password to connect it. So now you see the trick, friends. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just turn off. I'm going to click on next in Huawei button and turn off hotspot in my another mobile. So this is how we need to do it to unlock it bypassing. So I'm going to do it simultaneous. First I'm clicking on next and then I'm turning off the hotspot. Next and turning off the hotspot. Now Huawei will try to connect to internet and it will not connect it. It will ask you, it will say retry, yeah, it is not able to sign in. So I'm going to do the same step 2 more times to skip this bypass this option. So I'm I'm just disconnecting the previous Wi-Fi one. So now it is connected. See, it is connected. So now I'm going to click on next and just turn off the Wi-Fi hotspot in other phone. Just trying to connect and it will not connect because we have turned off the Wi-Fi hotspot. Yeah, I'm just turning on the hotspot now again. I'm going to do the same trick again. Now you see the magic, friends. So automatically what happens, it bypasses here next and here, see the trick here. So we have entered here. So I'm just keeping my phone aside and I'm clicking on more. Please follow the steps, friends. This is a trick. If again it will not asking, then you can try it again. Definitely it works. I have done several phones, Huawei phones. So I'm going to set a password here now, screen password. So I'm just using the 0000060 and reconfirming again. I'm entering that. So I'm not going to use the finger ID and face unlock. I'm just keeping that. I'm going to enable also and later continue. So what happened again, it will go to the first screen again. So here welcome screen. So I'm going to click on next, skip. Now I'm going to connect to Wi-Fi now. So Wi-Fi, I think I need to enable hotspot in other phone so that it will be displayed here. Friends, please do subscribe my channel and you can watch latest videos daily. So now it is connected and clicking on next. Now what happens, so it will try to connect and it will ask for the password which I have given earlier, that is 6 zeros, and then clicking on next. So now you can wait. And boom, so you can see our next skip. You can see the skip icon now, and more accept. You can just skip it. Skip it. No thanks, later. Continue. Great, it went down. Now I'll just show you the version as well as the model number so that you can see it here. It says Huawei P10 Lite and Emui is 9 and Android is 9. And thank you, friends, and have a great day, and please do subscribe my channel.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel.